in to the 429 data bus out of the number 2 air data going to the thrust management computer. It gets data from both the number 1 and number 2 air data. There's the number 1, there's the number 2. So what I'm going to do is have a software program that will pick this stuff up and show it to us on the screen. We've been trying to do this with hardware, and it's just about impossible. Let's see if I can do this way. Wake up the computer. So what we're looking at here, I need to pause this, is we're looking at the labels, time of course, and the data that's coming out of that data bus going to the TMC. If I unpause it, it's hauling ass. Let me see if I can expand it. That's continual data bus feeding from the air data. Let's go to update on this little guy here. Might slow it down just a little bit. So you got 34 labels coming out of the air data. Not all of them are shown here, and not all of them are defined here. Label 354 is not, so it shows up as hex data. Let me see if I can find it. It's going to change. Let's pause it. So 354 right there. That's hex data. But I'm going to go ahead and go back to active. I'm going to hit the test switch on the air data. You'll see my altitude jump to 10,000 feet. That's the test altitude, so I can release. Field elevation, baro corrected. Here's my 10,000 feet again. So you're just looking at a live 429 data bus. It's kind of interesting to see this in kind of all the data buses at once, instead of trying to use a single line handheld that is very limited as to what it can show you. We're still learning this little guy here, this program. This is from RTX Systems. Again, there's setup functions that have to be done, and I still have to learn quite a bit about recording, maybe changing some of the data formats. But again, this is a live 429 data bus. Thanks.